Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. We will be drawing a Panda Bamboo Squishmallow from Garten of Banban today. OBS custom Squishmallow, so follow along for your very own drawing. Let's start off with the bamboo first because it's going to be in the front. Let's just draw a little bit of a straight line right around here. And we want to do another one right across. And this is going to be the two sides of our bamboo. And for the detailing, let's just draw in 1, 2, 3, 4 U's. And on the other bottom side, let's just draw in the opposite 4 of these bumps. And this will allow us to easily draw in the bamboo detailing, like so. And the bamboo does have 2 little leaves. Let's add those in. Let's add in one big leaf here and another one right here. Let's draw a little line in between both. And since this is a squishmallow, we're gonna make it really round. Let's see what we can do. Let's start off with the top of the head, like so, and go from this side down to get the start of our shape. And now we just need 2 little panda ears. Let's do one right here and one right here. Making them a little bit bigger just for the cuteness. And then let's draw in a circle for the peak. And Panda Bamboo or Panda Bamboo just have big eyes, so let's add in 2 medium-sized eyes on either side. And let's just draw in 2 black eyes in the middle. Add a circle for the highlight and color. If I'm going a little too fast, make sure to just pause the video, and once you catch up to the steps, you can unpause to follow along with the rest of the drawing. Alright, once we're done with the eyes, let's draw in a nice big nose right here. And a little cute smile. And let's add in that little tongue. Since this is a squishmallow, we just need to draw in the bottom. Very simple. On either side, like so. And since it is a panda, let's see if we can add in some areas where it could be black. Let's just draw in a line. So this can be white, black, and let's just add in a little belly detail where it can also be white. Then we could add in little arms on either side. And I think we're done with our drawing. Now we just need to add some color real quick. Start off with a nice green for the bamboo. Right around here. Just color in between all of these. And for the leaves, let's see if we can add in a much brighter color. That looks good. Alright, and then for the grays, or the black areas of the panda, let's just use a dark gray so we don't get too black or too dark. And color in the arms, the upper body details, across to the other side. Color these in. Let's do the ears right around here. Looking good so far. Ears are done. Grab a nice pink for the inside of the ear. Nice yellow for the accents on the bamboo. Almost done. And finally, red for the tongue, and we're almost there. Do the red for the tongue. And there you have it. Panda Bamboo from Garten of Banban as a custom squishmallow. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe. And you have suggestions for any other characters, please leave it in the comments down below. And I'll see you in the next one.